Hi, I'm Lisa from Cultured Expressions, and I wanted to let you know that our Handbag Masterclass has been rescheduled to begin in October of 2023. The Handbag Masterclass is a 10-part course. We'll be going for 10 Thursday evenings via Zoom, well, evening for Eastern Standard Time. We'll be working through Zoom, so anyone is welcome to join us. And what we'll be doing is a combination of technical skills and business coaching. So this course is really for people that either have a business already making bags and they want to improve it, or they like making bags already, but now they want to take that step and actually be able to sell their creations. So it's a very focused kind of a group. It's a very niche kind of a group. And if you just would like to make handbags, this probably isn't the class for you because the business component really is an important part of it. So in addition to the technical coaching, which would be anything from how to put a zipper in more professionally and more efficiently, to how to select the right linings and inner structures, things like that, how to design the bag to begin with, considerations for that. In addition to the technical coaching, we'll have the business coaching, which will involve everything from pricing to finding your customer and just really a whole nice little package of marketing and business considerations that you can, again, either launch your business or improve with the one that you have already. The third part of the course is a resource pack, which includes some of my favorite notions and fusibles and tools and products that I like to use in my bags that I've found success with, so that you can actually try them out, along with a copy of my handbag book, African Accents on the Go. This book came out in 2007, and I've learned a lot of other new tips and techniques and tricks since then. So while this is going to serve as something of a textbook for us, I have learned a lot since then too. So I'll be incorporating just all of my experience in the bags, and it's going to be really a great time. So we start on October 12th, which is a Thursday evening, and again, we'll be running the class through Zoom. There will be a combination of group activities and group sessions, as well as private sessions with just you and myself for coaching. And the culmination of the class, I would hope, is for everyone to design their own bag, or at least to begin to get into the considerations of what goes into designing a bag. Hopefully we'll end each of us with our own design. That's going to be really exciting, kind of like a little graduation thing. So it's really going to be a nice structured class, but also if you've taken my classes before, you know that they're, casual, but we really get the work done. So it's going to be a lot of fun. So for details, you can go to the website, download this PDF on the Handbag Masterclass. It's got all the details from pricing and everything you need to know to register is in this little PDF. If you have any questions, you can reach me, Lisa, at culturedexpressions.com, or call me at 866-MUDCLOTH. As always, I'm here for you if you have any questions or any concerns before you register. And if you register by July 15th, I do have a little bonus. It's a $45 merchandise credit. So if you might want to do that and just kind of get on it really quickly. If not, there's still time to register through September. So I look forward to seeing you in class, and I'll see you soon. Thanks.